Good day guys and welcome to my channel. This is the best fashion tutorials, and today I'll be teaching you how to iron a senator wear from the scratch to the finishing. So I'll be teaching you how to iron a shirt to be very clean and perfect. Most times some of the problem you have in your work is not the sewing but the ironing. So pay close attention to these techniques I'm going to be teaching you, and then let's get started. So as you can see, first and foremost, I iron my flap and my pocket from behind. So you have to sprinkle water on the flap and pocket and then press it. Secondly, also you press all your stitching lines. You don't just go ahead and start pressing without straightening the lines first, because sometimes your machine might squeeze some places. So you straighten the lines, and then next you open up the sides of the shirts, open up the allowances, the weaving. So it's very important for you to weave your shirts and the senator wears and your safari natives, to weave them separately. Some people weave their clothes together, which is a very bad thing. So weave it separately from the armpit, from the sleeve to the body of the clothes, please. It's very important. So you sprinkle water on them and open it up. Then when you come to the base here, I don't usually I don't weave the down of my clothes. I prefer it to be sewn. So when you get to the down, you open it and press it also. I'm doing this on the second side of the shirt to save our time. So as you can see here, you open it, make sure the allowance is balanced and even, and you press on it. We'll be needing water at every step of the pressing, because without sprinkling water on your fabric will not lie down flat. So now we'll fold this edge depending on the allowance you have on your fabric. The allowance is big, you can use 1.5, but on this particular native the allowance is not much, so I'm using 1 inch for the folding. So you make sure the two of them are equal. Then after the folding, I'll be making use of my hemming gum to make sure the fabric lies down like that before I go and sew it. So I cut out my hemming gum. The size I know will be enough. So guys, please pay close attention to all these finishing methods. These are the things that will make your work to stand out as a fashion designer. I told you we use water. Water is very important. So I iron it down, press it down. So that is it. So then after this, we'll be turning the clothes to the good face, so we can now start the proper ironing. We're done with the first stage. Now the second stage is your cuffs and the side of your fabric. So at this particular place, I don't advise you to press your customer fabrics or your personal fabric without using a pressing rag or a pressing cloth. It's very, very risky, and it will either stain your fabric or burn your fabric. So I advise whatever you're pressing on the good face, you make use of a pressing rag for it. On the bad face, you don't have any issue. Even if it stains, who cares? So for this part, you sprinkle water. Make sure you bring out the edges, the exact edges, please. These are the places that some tailors usually spoil their work by not giving it a neat pressing. So guys, take your time, get the pressing perfectly okay. So the first line to get is the down line before you get the up line. The down line will determine where your up line will be. So that is it. Take your time, press it very well, and make sure you observe the rules. And we'll turn it back to the other side of the sleeve and repeat the same thing there before we can as well go ahead to press the front of the dress. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please try and do so. As you can see, I upload content that will help you to be a very good fashion designer. So please guys, the only way you can thank me is to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, and also to join our WhatsApp channel. I have a WhatsApp channel, I have a WhatsApp group where we discuss fashion related issues. We break down styles for you if you have any problem, and you can as well ask your questions over there and I'll answer you as quick as possible. So guys, join the family and let's roll. Thank you. Moving on, we'll be turning the shirts to the front part. I've actually pressed the neck already, so I'll just go ahead to touch the shoulders. I'll make a video on how to cut, sew and press the neck. So please guys, if you want to be part of that video and to learn the things you need to learn on it, please subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, and also make sure you watch my videos whenever I upload them, please. Thank you. So right now, just as you brought out the edges of the sleeve, you did the same thing to the shirt body. Make sure you are following the exact edges, please. It's very important. So that's how we do it, down to the main clothes. So guys, as you are pressing, you are sprinkling water, please. Water is very essential to make your clothes to balance. I'll drop the link to my WhatsApp group on the comment section and also in the description of this video, so you can click on it and join the family. Thank you guys. So please take your time, iron it very well. Make sure you don't rush your pressing when you're pressing it, because ironing of a cloth is one of the things that brings out the beauty of the cloth. So I'm done with the front. This is also the back. I've done the same thing. So now we are going to be folding the clothes. We are done with our ironing actually. It's now to bring out the folding line. So now make sure you don't fold your pockets. Just bend it where your pocket ends. Guys, you know I usually give you all the tips you need. I don't hide anything from you. So I expect you to follow this channel very well and advance your skills. And please try and practice whatever you learn here. Don't just learn and keep it to yourself. Try and practice it, because that's the only way you can develop your skills and improve on your work. So we iron it. Also pay attention to the fact that I've been ironing since with my pressing rack. I've not skipped ironing with it. So please don't forget that. It's very important. Always iron with it so that you don't burn your fabrics. So I think we have gotten to the end of this video. So I would like you to watch these videos on your screen: how to cut a senator wear and how to cut a sapphire native. So watch them and see you in the class. Thank you guys. Bye.